Hi everyone, this is Basit Ali, and I'm making this video to present my paper in International Management Conference 2021 at Jamia Millia Islamia. My topic for conference is impact of coronavirus lockdown on stock market evidence from India and USA. My affiliation is Lovely Professional University Punjab. As we know, the coronavirus has become one of the greatest challenge for the world right now since 2019. As we know, today it's in second or third wave of coronavirus going on in different countries. But if we see that there is a difference between current wave and the first wave that has begun from the Wuhan city of China. The difference is at that time in 2019 there was a lot of misinformation and lack of information for the world. So if we see that at that time there was an uncertainty going on around, so the investors, businesses, and even the governments didn't know what to do and what not to do. If we see in 2019 when WHO announces 2020 February 2020 that it's a pandemic, worldwide pandemic, this coronavirus. So it made uncertainty among the investors, which led pulling back their money from marketers, transferring those investments into the safer assets like bonds. So, what happened with this uncertainty? What happened with this announcement that countries took desperate measures to limit their economic activities, which caused loss in the business, loss in the stock market investors, loss in the tourism, hospitality, and even generated lot of unemployment around the world. But the heterogeneity across the countries suggested that the different approach towards the pandemic by individual countries has played a great role. If we see the countries who gone with an strict lockdown and countries gone with an part-time lockdown, or we can say the smart lockdown, had made a difference among them. So the complete lockdown was the disaster. If we see on in the terms of the wealth, we see the complete lockdown created a lot of uncertainty among the investors. They were not ready to invest, so businesses were not ready to business were just cutting down their expenses by laying off their employees. And after that the government made a relief economic packages for the businesses and addressed the investors concerns over uncertainty as a remedy what was happened. If we see the literature review, there is a lot of literature done since last year, but we have selected in this presentation a very few literature, very important literature. If we see, most of the literature has shown that there is a relationship between coronavirus pandemic and as well as the daily infectious cases and deaths and the stock market returns. But if we see the third literature here, if we see that it has mentioned that it has stated that coronavirus impact in Asian emerging countries had made more impact than European emerging economies. So this is the paper which made a lot of scholars, lot of researchers to think about that, to do this country wise and comparison the country to country. The research design for this paper was that we took a stock market daily indices from the BSE Sensex and New York Dow Jones stock market. So we have collected the data from the Yahoo Finance for both BSE and the Dow Jones New York stock market. So we have collected the data of daily COVID-19 cases from WHO official database and the other was from the stock market. We have selected the period of 6 months starting from 3rd March 2021 to 3rd August 2020 to examine the stock market response. So we selected the 6 months. By 6 months, in both USA and India, the lockdown was fully in 6 months. Either it was in partial or it was a fully strict lockdown, complete lockdown. So we have selected the 6 months time period for this. So this time, so analysis technique for this study is a time series data. We implied the regression and correlation by using the Stata software. So regression analysis has done to examine the impact of COVID-19 on stock market of India and USA, while correlation analysis is done to check whether there is a relationship between India and USA stock market during the period of pandemic. As we see, in general, there is a relationship always between the New York stock market or USA stock market in India, because of this, India has become one of the leading Asian economy right now. So because of that, there is a lot of parameters to check that. When we come into the result and discussion, we see the first result here is showing linear regression result about the Bombay stock market. So the Bombay stock market shows that there is significant relationship between COVID-19 confirmed cases and stock market returns. The R-square figure given upwards explains that 50% of the stock market return are explained by the model. We see the R-square and adjusted R-square above. R-square is 0.597, it's 50.97 and 50.0. So it means that 50% of this model has been explained by this regression analysis, that there is a significant relationship between COVID-19 confirmed cases and stock market. But if we see the second one, if we see here the result of New York Dow Jones stock market, we see that 40.29% of this model is explained by this regression analysis. So there is also a significant relationship between COVID-19 cases and this COVID-19 cases and stock market returns. But while we are doing both separately regression analysis for Bombay stock market and New York stock market, so New York stock market is showing 40.29% the accuracy in the model, while as India has shown the 50%, 10% more than this. So if we go for the correlation analysis, when we compare the both stock markets, Bombay stock market and New York stock market, we see the red line represents the New York stock market and the green line represents the Indian stock market. If we see that there is a correlation, when there was a slight volatility, there was a slight slight change in this New York stock market, there was a huge response from Indian stock market. So it shows that Indian stock market is not affecting as much as the New York stock market, as much as New York stock market is impacting the Indian stock market. There is a lot of reasons behind it, because the Indian there is a lot of FDI, a lot of outside foreign investors in India. When they see that there's any kind of uncertainty in USA and UK, USA and these like countries, there is always a reaction in Indian stock market. And there is one more thing that that we need to mention here, that when we see that both India and America, when both they announced the lockdown at the end of the March, so there was a more fluctuation in Indian stock market rather than in United States stock market. Particularly, we are talking about the New York Dow Jones stock market. When we conclude this paper, we say that as per the World Organization, when we see both the countries who got more affected from the coronavirus, but if we see the resources, the health wise, as well as that economy wise, that United States economy is more stronger than the Indian economy and the health system as well. But when we see that both the countries, that in India is the world's fourth and fifth largest economy, while Indian corporates are making their global market by exporting their goods and generating funds from from through listing in the global stock market such as the London stock market and the New York stock market, which the United States market conditions are big source of information flow for Indian markets and are highly correlated since long time. Any uncertainty in global market, especially United States, will have impact on the Indian market. For example, crash of housing market 2008, in which Indian financial sector was affected with it, and this was the confirm that correlation between Indian and US stock market. So if we see this economy wise, that when we see the United States economy is the more of the formal economy, but if we calculate in the Indian market, it's a informal economy. Most of the economy is informal in nature here. So we can see the impact that India would have way more impact than United States, because when we talk about the informal economy, there is no data, no record that how many employees got jobless, how many businesses have lost their money, and more. So if we conclude in the last sentence in this paper, that we can see that coronavirus has impacted both United States and the Indian stock market, both market. But if we talk about that who got more affected, it would be India on the first 6 months rather than thank you.